me, ladies and gentlemen, to share with you
Muthenya wa gatano niguo mutongoria wa thitango cia muingi Nurdin Haji athanire Ngavana wa kaunti ya Kiambu Ferdinand Waititu aikio ngono agikuruhanio no heani muru wa kandarathi ya makiria ma muigana wa shiringi milioni 548 ya gwaka barabara itiganite thiini wa kaunti iyo. Thutha wa thamaji no kuruto Waititu akoretwo rĩũrĩro-inĩ kurecokire kwiyumiria umuthi neneana wabici-ini cia kamiti ya kurana na ungumania guku bururi-ini nio EACC aumagaritio ni mawakiri ake.
What we are here to just clarify the misleading statements that have been in the media, a section of the media, that the governor was on the run. The true position was that the governor was out of town, and there was a miscommunication in the first letter that came out from the DPP. It showed a different date. But yesterday, he came in quite late in the evening, and as you are aware, the directive from the CEO was that he reports here.
Mutumia wake Susan Ndong'oni ukoretwo agiethanwo nake na nginyagia na riu ndarere yumiria mawakiri Waititu magikana na kuga area yati kwihitha marehithite.
In this country, you can't run away from the justice system. We have the police, the NIS, the DCI, and even the EACC themselves. So it is not possible to say that a governor who was a police escort ran away. So I think also we need to clarify some of those things.
Kwa ihinda kamiti ya EACC ikoretwo igitafanio thuthuria kaunti-ini ya Kiambu thutha wa riboti kuhithuka ya uria kandarathi ya makiria ma shiringi milioni 848 yaheirwo kambuni ya Testimony Enterprise iria ni yathiritwo hakuhi ya Waititu hindi ya mwaka wa kigina wa 2017-2018 na ukinyeria riu milioni 147.3 ni irikitie kurihwo kambuni ino. Riritiria mbere Waititu gwikora thina-ini ta uyu na kuria akoretwo akiuga murugamo wake wa kiuteti na ikinya riake ria kunyita mbaru munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto niguo tumite akorwo agikora mathina-ini ta maya. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Nũngari wa Kamau.